Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include premium sound system, satellite radio, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2015 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.